simplified, here's a video of Liam learning the concept of isomers. Hi Liam, what's an isomer?
Different formula, different connections.
Hi Liam, what's an isomer?
Same formula, different connections.
All right guys, so Liam has memorized the definition of isomer, in fact, constitutional isomer, but he really has to apply the concept, right, in order to understand it. And so this is what you're going to be doing in these homework exercises. It's almost the same exact logic as what Liam's using here, right? You have a specific set of atoms or building blocks. You're going to follow the rules of resonance, follow the rules of the octet, and assemble them to make these different vehicles. So what we've learned about is called constitutional isomers. The order of connectivity is actually different. Later on in chapter 5, you'll learn about a type of isomer called a stereoisomer.